It's Puppy Love Day, but I can't think of a special way to show my friends how much I love them. What am I going to do?
Why don't you just tell your friends how much you love them, Razzles?
Yeah, they don't care how fast you can run or anything like that. They just love you for who you are.
And that's Razzles, a cute little pup with a great big heart.
Thanks, guys. You've just given me a great idea.
I love my buddies down at the dump. There's Mac the Moggy, Persian Pete, and my best friend of all, Boris, the Russian Blue.
Ears up, puppy lovers! I've got something extra special to show you.
I can't wait to see what it is.
I've made a special card shaped like a love heart for all my friends to show how much I love them.
That's the loveliest card I've ever seen, Razzles.
It sure is. Who you gonna give it to, Razzles?
You've got so many friends. There's Polly Possum, Billy Bat, Sam Spaniel, Larry Labrador.
You're right, B-Max. They are all my friends, but I'm going to give this card to my extra special friends who I love most of all.
Who's that, Razzles?
And that's you guys, of course.
Aww.
Why don't you tell your best friends how much you love them too? Because everybody loves to be loved. Aww.